Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brother SC600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This is the creme de la creme of all the sewing and embroidery machines on this list. It will not only give wings to your creativity but also offer you excellent value and unparalleled functionality. The machine comes with a Smart Sew LCD color touchscreen and an expansive embroidery area. Its design is compact, portable, and convenient. The large needle-to-arm workspace allows you to easily make quilts and other large items. The most noteworthy feature of this machine is the 103 embroidery designs it offers. You can also import your own designs using the USB port it comes with. What's more, you can preview these designs on the 37-inch LCD touchscreen as well as adjust them. You can forget about the hassle of multiple thread changes thanks to the automatic needle. Plus, you can align your designs in the 4*4 hoop. With the 6 lettering fonts available in 3 different sizes, you can easily customize your collection. You will achieve exceptional embroidery and fine sewing results with high precision on account of the LED lights that allow you to work with clear visibility. Furthermore, the sewing machine features 7 quick-changing sewing feet that add to its superior functionality. It also comes with a convertible free arm that allows you to do sleeves and cuffs easily. With a 25-year warranty, you couldn't possibly ask for more for your domestic and professional sewing needs. It is a perfect choice for anyone looking for a combo unit for all kinds of projects. Moving on at number 4, we have the Brother PQ1500SL Sewing and Quilting Machine. Are you looking for a machine that can help you get through a pile of work very quickly and efficiently? Well, look no more. This Brother sewing machine sews with the lighting speed of 1500 stitches per minute. Its convenient features will save you time and energy in completing your massive sewing projects. The machine comes in a lightweight, sturdy body that can hold up well to regular heavy-duty industrial use. It features a push button, an automatic needle threader, and an automatic thread trimmer. All these are big-time saving features and they make the machine one of the best heavy-duty sewing machines for industrial use in the market. Furthermore, the machine comes with an extension table to accommodate larger fabrics like curtains and quilts. You will achieve great sewing results with high precision thanks to the LED light that ensures the workspace is well lit. The pin feed system, incorporated in its design, adds to the machine's high precision when handling thicker fabrics. With this machine, you can sew virtually anything, from difficult and uneven materials to light and slick ones. All you have to do is coordinate the feed dog adjuster and the pressure foot dial that is color-coded. For more convenience and ease of use, there is a knee lifter which allows you to lift the pressure foot with your knee, leaving your hands free for operating the machine. Additionally, you can automate the needle up-down position for ease when rotating fabrics. In conclusion, this is the best sewing machine you can get for professional industrial use or large sewing projects at its price. At number 3, we have the Singer 7258 Sewing and Quilting Machine. Every time you meet a Singer sewing machine, you have, without a doubt, met style and elegance. This particular one does not fall short with all the features you would need: free-hand embroidery, quilting, home furnishings, and dressmaking. The machine is sturdily built with a robust and durable frame that will undoubtedly stand the test of time. It is incredibly lightweight, so you can easily carry it anywhere or even change its position in your working space. The LED display screen featured allows you to track your stitches for perfect and precise results. An automatic tension further adds to the precision by ensuring you make high-quality stitches on every kind of material. For ease of use and convenience, the sewing machine has an electrical autopilot that saves you the agony of foot pedaling. That, together with the top bobbin that is straightforward to load, will make your sewing life easier. Furthermore, you will be in charge of your sewing speed thanks to the electric speed controller. This way, you will get optimum functionality for various sewing projects. The machine offers 100 stitches and 76 different decorative ones. This makes it highly versatile, thus increasing your creative capabilities. Choosing a desirable stitch only requires a single push of a button. You can also adjust the length and width of the stitch you select. All these features backed up with a 25-year warranty makes this Singer sewing machine one of the best for seasoned sewers. It is a perfect pick for anyone looking for a high-end machine for both domestic and industrial use. At number 2, we have the Janome Magnolia 7318 sewing machine. Janome is increasingly becoming a big name in the sewing machine industry. The Janome 7318 is a perfect choice for a seasoned user looking for a machine with less sophisticated features at a reasonable price. It is made for the sewer interested in simplicity and ease of use. It comes in a compact, lightweight, and bright-colored design. It is one of the most portable machines out there. It will save you a lot of space and you can easily move it from one point to another thanks to the neat handle it comes with. When it comes to versatility, there are no bells and whistles for this machine. It only offers 18 stitches, which isn't bad if you don't want anything complicated. Additionally, you will get 4 durable and secure buttonholes that will ensure you get accurate results with specialty fabrics. On the bright side, the machine features a thread cutter conveniently positioned under the faceplate for easier and quicker cutting. With a jam prod bobbin system, you can forget the pain that comes with constant troubleshooting of jammed threads. In fact, once you load the bobbin, you will not stop sewing until you need more thread. What's more, in case you encounter any trouble with the bobbin, you can always see through its plastic cover, making it much easier to fix the problem. Also featured is a 7-piece feed dog that ensures you control all kinds of fabric for high-precision results. Overall, if you want something laid back in terms of features and functionality, this is your best bet. It also offers great value. And finally at number 1, we have the Brother HC1850 sewing and quilting machine. This is another one of Brother's inventive and efficient sewing machines. It is the best portable on this list, weighing just 13.2 pounds. It is packed with high-end features, making it one of the best computerized sewing machines in the market. The machine has a compact and highly portable design. It features a wide detachable table on which you can comfortably sew larger fabrics. Additionally, there is an LCD screen that displays and lets you track your stitches. With the super bright LED lights, you will undoubtedly achieve accurate sewing results as they efficiently light up the work area. This quilting and sewing machine has 130 built-in stitches for all your unique craft projects and creative work. You will be able to achieve a customized touch in your sewing works thanks to the built-in monogramming font. It is the alphabets, letters, special symbols, and punctuation marks that will give your work a creative edge. For convenience, you can adjust your sewing speed as well as automate the threader. Also, you are allowed to select between the detachable foot control and machine control based on your preference. There is a spring-action quilting foot that you can make the most of to be able to highly maneuver the machine when you're quilting. Loading the bobbing is pretty straightforward, and the dog feed system allows you to sew various kinds of materials, particularly in the free motion quilting. Overall, this is one of the best affordable, portable sewing machines for quilting you can get in the market. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.